In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable tailored assistance in Grammarly step by step so you can turn on more personalized writing suggestions and get help that feels much more relevant to your style. If you use Grammarly regularly, this is a simple setting that can make a big difference in the quality of your suggestions and overall writing experience. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Once the Grammarly web app loads, make sure you're signed in to the correct account. This is important because these settings apply to the account you're currently using, so if you have multiple accounts, double check before changing anything. After you're inside Grammarly, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the account option, which is shown with a person icon. This will take you into your account-related settings. From there, look for feature settings in the left navigation pane and click on it. This is where Grammarly keeps options that control how the app works and what kinds of assistance it provides. Now scroll or look through the settings until you find the Personalization section. This section is where you can control whether Grammarly gives you more tailored suggestions based on your writing patterns and preferences. Once you locate it, you'll see a switch for options like suggestion bundles or personalized suggestions depending on how your account is labeled. To enable tailored assistance, simply toggle that switch to on. As soon as you turn it on, Grammarly will start offering more customized writing help instead of just general suggestions. This can be especially useful if you want Grammarly to better match your tone, improve the type of feedback you receive, and make your editing workflow feel more personalized. If you don't see the option right away, take your time and check the personalization area carefully. Sometimes settings layouts can change slightly depending on updates, but the general path should still be account, then feature settings, then personalization. Once the toggle is turned on, you're done. Now, your Grammarly account is set up to provide tailored assistance, which means you can write with more confidence and get suggestions that are more aligned with your needs. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials, tips, and step-by-step software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.